Hi, myself Mangesh More. I have an i20 car, and since the day I purchased the car, I was looking for a seat cover vendor since a long time. And while searching for the good seat cover vendor, I found a very interesting vendor whose name is Orchis seat cover. And I after that I immediately booked an appointment on the through the contact number mentioned in the ad. And after searching through various designs, I found it very interesting. There were multiple designs, great designs. The quality was good, and the main thing is it's very reasonable as compared to other vendors. So immediately booked, and the delivery was also the same day it was delivered. And here the staff is also supportive, and the delivery was good. Everything was sorted for me. Thank you.